Okay, we're going to jump straight in on this one today. I will speed it up because some of you will find it a little bit boring. This lasted about 10 minutes or so. This woman behind me is doing nothing wrong at the moment, but you'll see later on that she certainly does. It's only now that I've become aware of her because she's pulled up really close to me because of the junction on the right. She was trying to clear it. At the moment she's still doing nothing wrong. But now it starts. She starts looking down to her left, our right, and head bobbing up and down. Now she swaps over to the other side. You can see the phone, but that's not natural driving, is it, of your head movement. She comes very close to me there. I know I'm zoomed in, so it does make it look a little bit closer than what it really is. But I still haven't seen the phone. But it's still pretty obvious, isn't it? The head going up and down, up and down, up and down. And remember, this is on fast forward as well. I mean, that's very close again. But I'm still waiting for that phone. Being able to see that phone to be sure. Very close again. But where's the phone? There it is.